jumping from one Ibrahim to the other Ibrahim. Iggy. I think they call him Iggy. Ibrahim, what is it? Like Saif Ali Khan. Is it Ibrahim Ali Khan? Yeah, it
Yes,
is, right?
yes.
Okay. Yeah.
And I thought it's Icky. It's not
Uh-huh.
Icky, it's Iggy.
I think it's Iggy because Icky is like, ew, icky. So if he is icky, I feel bad for him. I really hope it's Iggy. No.
We are going to tag Ibrahim Ali Khan, and please clarify what your pet name is.
Yes.
Is it Icky or Iggy? And yes, we are coming to Nadanya now. The
Mhm.
amazing Nadanya, where I thought the date announcement itself was the trailer.
Yeah, because for so long only that was out. Like I'm like, oh, where's the trailer? Where's the trailer? And all I saw was Miss Braganza and that classroom, and it was date announcement. I'm like, what is this? But finally today, coincidentally,
Yeah.
right before our podcast, what timing, yeah, Karan Johar, he posted the trailer. So you watched it?
Yes, I did.
I think we should watch it together.
Smooth play.
मेरी स्विमिंग ही मुझे नेशनल लॉ कॉलेज में फुल स्कॉलरशिप दिलवाएगी। हर सेमेस्टर टॉप करूंगा। कैंपस प्लेसमेंट से जॉब मिलेगी।
और प्यार के लिए कोई जगह है क्या?
कुछ दिनों से मुझे पहले से और भी अच्छे लगते हो
तुम मेरे साथ फ्लर्ट कर रहे हो मेहता।
ऐसी तुम में सनम जाने
दीप्तिया
क्या
जैसे
बात है अच्छे
तू मैजिक
लगते हो तुम इश्क में
तुम दोनों सिर्फ फ्रेंड्स हो या
पापा
तेरे इश्क में
योर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज ओवर। हर हफ्ते के 25,000 मिले थे मुझे इसके बॉयफ्रेंड बनने की एक्टिंग करने के।
Is this the way you embarrass me? इस बार कभी नहीं मिलने का डील करते हैं और इसमें कुछ फेक नहीं होगा।
मैं हार गया माँ। I got distracted.
What's not cool, अर्जुन? इसकी तुमने पिया का दिल तोड़ा।
इस घर के बड़ों को सिर्फ बड़े होने की इज्जत चाहिए, पर बड़ा बनना भूल जाते हैं।
Stop you!
मैं जिस प्यार में ऐसी छोटी मोटी नंदानियां ना उस प्यार का मजा ही क्या है।
I like.
Really? What did you think about it? Let's hear your opinion.
I really liked it.
Okay, what did you like about it?
Ibrahim Ali Khan. Like. Okay, one thing about the trailer is that it just gave everything away. Again, the things
Really?
that. Yeah, I mean, he's like a renter boyfriend.
Oh, I didn't understand. So I think I'm just dumb in these movie ka trailer things. Because I'm like, why is he getting 25,000? I didn't understand.
He just said it out loud.
No, I understood that to be her boyfriend,
Yeah.
but I didn't get the context because I'm like, she's a pretty girl. She seems to be rich. Like, why would someone not want to be a boyfriend?
But like they put it out there that it's like a charade that they are girlfriend boyfriend, and
Correct.
then but I didn't know this part where he gives out this secret in front of everybody. I'm like, what is left? And then they're going to figure out they are in love and get back together. Like we watched the movie technically.
Very obvious, yeah, what is going to happen. What else in a dramatic universe? What is going to happen? But I have to say one thing. Our first podcast was discussing the 10 best film nominations of the Oscars 2025. And now we're discussing Nadania in episode 2. I don't know what that says about our podcast.
He'll get debut award and also technically we are still
course.
on awards. So what did you think about the trailer? Then we can move on to the actors and the plot.
Trailer was typical. I mean, I'll watch it because first of all, it's on Netflix. So why not? And it looks like a typical masala movie, young love type of a movie, no tension. So yeah, why not? I'll watch it. And it's so Karan Johar, right? Because this full cast is full of these stars. They brought Sunil Shetty and Dia Mirza and these people to become parents. But very Karan Johar. So yeah, I'll watch.
Even I'll watch. And
Yeah.
I think I realized how old I am when my crush was the father, Jugal Hansraj.
Jugal Hansraj.
Yeah, I remember downloading wallpapers, like, when we had that
Are you
in
serious?
Mohabbatein type.
Yeah. Mohabbatein mein I like Jimmy Shergill, but I mean, okay,
Oh,
I like Shah Rukh Khan. How can I even say that I like Jimmy Shergill? I loved Shah Rukh Khan, but next was Jimmy Shergill. बेचारा कोई उदय चोपड़ा नहीं बोलता है.
but we are mentioning him just like Chunky
Yes.
Pandey.
Between Uday Chopra, Chunky Pandey, I choose Chunky Pandey.
Now they will feel bad. I don't think we are going to lose followers.
He
now.
has lots of money, so it's okay.
Okay, back to the movie. So yeah, I feel so. My take is that usually Netflix has these rom-coms, and like if there's a Hollywood rom-com that comes out, you don't even think about it and you just watch it, right? And it's fun and it's forgettable. But yeah, it's entertainment. So why like over criticize Bollywood ones? I'm all for it.
My God, you have become oh God, yeah.
Bebo in the house.
You have suddenly become very pro Bollywood. Which was the last Bollywood movie you watched?
Okay, no, genuinely, I can't recollect. Yeah.
Yeah,
Can you recollect?
suddenly.
Can you
Wow,
recollect?
now you
that
use my words against me like we did for Chunky Pandey last time.
you were
Anyway, let's come back to Nadania. So you're saying give them a chance because we watch Hollywood movies. Like, why the prejudice? I understand. I agree.
So I remember long back, our friend he had said that when all these Marvel movies and Fast and Furious and all come out, everyone goes crazy. But like the same thing when Salman Khan does, we're like, oh, it's cringe.
Okay, for that, I'm going to little bit differ in opinion on that one because I don't think a Salman Khan movie is comparable to Marvel. Because I feel like Salman Khan nowadays doesn't put effort only. You've seen him dance, like he just comes and does like, kya hai,
Yeah, but
whatever.
this is like 20 years ago. So
Okay, 20 years ago is different. Okay. But I said what you were saying now, I said that when Brahmastra released. Because
Oh.
I really enjoyed Brahmastra. It was, I know, see,
I
See?
haven't watched it, so I
Ah,
can't
see,
comment.
Marvel you watched? Guardians of Galaxy you watched?
Yes.
Yeah.
I am the culprit.
Brahmastra was very good, yeah. Like, it was very different. So, we felt the same way when we watched Brahmastra. And so
Okay.
many people were like, ye kya bana hai? Like, there's no sense only in it. And I'm like, there's sense in Iron Man going to some third, like, what is like, so anyway. But yeah, I agree with the fact that we say we always, like, अरे Hollywood देख सकते हैं तो Bollywood क्यों नहीं? I get it.
So now Ibrahim Ali Khan. What are your views? Do you like him? Did you think his acting was okay in the trailer?
No. So he looks great, and no doubt he looks great. But I don't know what it is with these kids and their dialogue delivery. So, for example, I couldn't watch the full Archie's.
Archie's.
Oh my God, I could not. I'm like, why is this Khushi Kapoor talking like that? Like, who talks like that in real life? So it was very not relatable to me. And maybe there are some people it's relatable to, but it wasn't to me. But you never know because Alia Bhatt now is Alia Bhatt. And you know how she was in Student of the Year. So
Yes, I agree. But I like Khushi also. Oh my God, we are differing on everything.
see, I have not watched Archie's because I couldn't. So Sujay was watching. He actually liked it. He at the end was like, not bad, it was good. So now I feel like I should have, but somehow the dialogue delivery only just threw me off a lot. So you watched
So-
Archie's?
Yeah, and I liked it. But Khushi, to me, I can't believe we are moving on from Ibrahim. But no,
No, we'll come
Khushi,
back to Ibrahim.
yeah. So Khushi is, I feel, just a very likable person. And nowadays, if you know their personality or them or their persona through social media and all, it impacts how you feel about them as actors.
Yeah. I agree. She seems like a nice, sweet person, at least whatever she puts out there. So, yeah, I agree. And that way, I feel Ibrahim also is nice because I have seen him interact with the paparazzi. I've seen him interact with even like homeless people will come and want to talk to
Yeah.
him. He's so nice to them.
I-
Even
I-
Sara Ali Khan.
Yeah, they're very sweet. I feel they're so like Saif, like the way,
Mm.
even the way he talks and all. Saif is also like very, I'm talking like he's my neighbor and we go there for tea. And Bebo is like,
Oh God, yeah.
you're back for tea.
How much tea I'll give you.
Yes, they are going to get better. Good luck to them.
Yeah, good luck, good luck. But I also have to say about the other actors like Sunil Shetty. After how, like, no, I take that back. He did come in a movie recently, didn't he? I thought I have to search now IEL because he changed.
Sunil, he's IEL. He's not
Yes.
Sunil.
No, I thought it was just IL. Which Sunil is EIL, Priyanka?
Like, I thought to be cool, he's doing so Neil, like Neil, Nitin Mukesh.
Like that. No. I thought he did something, yeah, recently. Did he not?
He was at Athiya's wedding. Maybe that's why you thought he's done something.
He was so sweet at Athiya's wedding. Did you see that clip where he's telling paparazzi,
Yeah,
अरे मी
yeah.
घेऊन येतो त्यांना. तुम्ही इकडेच थांबा. तुम्ही हे मी घेऊन येतो. And he brought them. That is so sweet. It
He
was
was in
so
lungi
sweet.
or
That I don't remember, but I remember him telling them. It was very sweet. So he's coming like out of hibernation as a dad. Mahima Chaudhary, man, after so long. And didn't Mahima Chaudhary also recover from cancer?
yeah.
Yeah, so it'll be nice to see her after so long. And then Diya Mirza, I had watched Diya Mirza's that movie, the one with the bikers, the ladies.
Oh, you did?
You didn't? It's so good. You
No.
should watch it.
Okay.
It's really nice. It is called Dhak Dhak. Yeah, it's good. You should watch it. Ratna Pathak is so good in it. So I know you have a huge crush or had a huge crush on Jugal Hansraj. The latest, which very recently I watched of him, is Mismatched. So we had never watched Mismatched. We just started and we now are on season 3. And he's just not a great actor.
I think he was done dirty. I beg to differ. He was not given any dialogue. He's just coming, having a drink and saying 2 lines and going like an absent father.
I know, but whatever he had, you're just siding with him now because he's cute. He's okay. He is aged so well. His face is still like a little boy. And he looks really good. No, I mean, not taking that away from him. His genes are great. Acting, I'm not so sure.
Don't worry, Jugal. I'm with you.
Have you seen Masoom? Such a
Yeah.
beautiful movie.
Yes,
Oh my God.
yes.
Okay, let's not talk about Masoom. It makes me sad. Okay. Coming back to Nadanya.
Yes. So we both are going to watch it. The problem kya hai?
Problem nahi hai. We're just critiquing, just judging based on trailer. Like very early judgment. And then maybe we should do this after March 7th also.
Yes, because we are definitely going to watch it. So we are going to, for the first time ever, watch a movie and review it.
In the 3 podcasts that we have recorded. Yes, let's do it.
I'm back to Ibrahim Ali Khan. And doesn't he look so much like Saif? Like,
Same. It is one child came out like just like the mother and the other child came out just like the father.
yeah. And I was thinking, who does he look like? I feel Ibrahim also looks like Zayn Malik.
Really?
Not a lot.
Okay.
That also very specific Zayn Malik, like 2013 type.
Oh my goodness, I'll have to
And
search
only his
now.
eyes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think
like
it's a
the cleavage
stretch.
smaller. Yeah,
Yeah,
a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
So one thing I will say, and I think that's also got to do with what year we are living in versus when Saif debuted, like did his debut. Ibrahim is much hotter and better looking than what Saif was when he made his debut. Because remember Saif with the long hair and hai alag alag, hum dono hai juda juda. You don't remember? Main Khiladi
Of
Tu
course
Wala
I
You.
do.
Have you
No,
watched it?
I have, I think.
Okay, good.
I was thinking of Dillagi.
With Sunny Deol. No, not Sunny Deol,
Oh.
Akshay Kumar.
Really?
Is it Dillagi, Akshay Kumar, Kajol and
Yeah. Yes.
Saif?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was not his
Dillagi.
first. No, that's Ye Dillagi, what you're saying.
Oh.
That's why I got confused with Sunny Deol. So they made exact movie after a few years and they didn't even think of changing the name. They just added Ye.
Wait, which was made first?
Akshay Kumar, Saif Ali Khan, and Kajol was first, and I'm sure that also may have been copied from some other movie. Yeah,
It's some Hollywood
it is.
remake.
It is a
Yes.
Hollywood remake. Yeah,
I know
And
the Hollywood remake's name. I think it's
Which one?
Sabrina.
it was 1995 film Sabrina. Yes, same. Chauffeur's daughter. Chauffeur's daughter
Is
who
it-
grew up with
Is
wealthy.
it Harrison Ford in it? Or who's there in it?
Yes, Harrison
Hmm.
Ford and this guy. Yes, Greg Kinnear. So it's exact plot. Dillagi, I think it's now I'm so because they didn't even bother changing like the name, making it something different. The Sunny Deol movie. But first it was Saif, Akshay Kumar, and Kajol. That
Okay.
was the original remake, and then the remake was
Oh.
Ye Dil Lagi with Sunny Deol, Bobby Deol, and Urmila Matondkar. The only thing is, I think the plot little bit they changed. I don't think she was like driver's daughter and all, but it is same. Like brothers fall in love with the same girl. I have watched both Dil Lagi and Ye Dil Lagi. That's why I know.
I did not know about this. But like, isn't Sunny Deol much older than like Saif and Akshay?
But yeah, but Bollywood actors don't age. So yeah, so I like that movie, and I hope that Saif's son does well, because I feel like just like Saif, even he will get better and better with time.
Yeah. And
Because yeah,
Saif has something to look forward to after that sad event that happened.
I know, man, that was crazy, right? Thankfully, he bounced back pretty fast after that. Don't quote me on this, but I think I read that Ibrahim took him to the hospital in a rickshaw. Then that rickshaw wala became so famous. रिक्शा वाला लाइक बेस्ट है ये, मस्त आदमी टाइम पे मिला मेरे को.
I don't think we should be laughing. We'll get cancelled like Urvashi. It'll get
Oh.
misconstrued.
No, but I am totally empathizing. I'm not like saying that 105 crore followers.
It's not 105 crore. 105 crore. Like very fast. It's one word. Yeah, but first we'll watch Nadania.
Which is releasing next Friday.
7th March.
Yeah. Our next podcast will start with a brief review of Nadania, and then we'll go into whatever we talk about that day.
And we are very happy for Ibrahim Ali Khan as well.
Yes.
And Khushi
Good
Kapoor.
luck, Iggy, TBC. If you like our content and our podcasts, even if you don't like it, give us a shot and like and subscribe our channel and also our Instagram page. And we will continue to bring a lot of entertaining chats and gossip to you. And our channel name is Over Coffee or Wine.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.